I'm getting ready to enjoy this tasty burger, but how did I get here? It was easy with the new Camec Tabletop Gas BBQ. Made for the Australian RV market, the Tabletop Gas BBQ is made of stainless steel construction, runs on LPG and comes with convenient electronic ignition. You barbecue scientists will love this easy-to-read temperature gauge, and you will always cook your food instead of your hand because the Camec Tabletop Gas BBQ comes with an insulated handle. Another safety feature is flame failure detection, and new regulations state you must have this if you fit your barbecue to an RV. Now it's time to enjoy my tasty burger, all thanks to this Ripper barbecue. Find your Tabletop Gas BBQ at a Camec retail store or online at camec.com.au. Camec, making anywhere home.